my favorite things to do is to try new materials when I'm doing crafts or when I'm making a piece of art. So when Royal Talens sent over these acrylic inks, I jumped on it. I wanted to see exactly what they could do. I did a lot of research and I found this idea of doing pouring ink, and I wanted to try that out. So I explored, tried some different canvases, and this is what I came up with, adding that little bit of craft where I wanted to make this into a monogram or into a piece of art that you could hang on the wall that actually says something. I'm going to go back and actually make some big canvases now that I would hang on my wall as an art piece. But to me, this is craft, and it's perfect. You can make these little pieces with your kids. You can do it as a team because it's so much fun. The inks are actually water-based. They're safe. Anyone can use them. And this is a perfect thing that you can make for your kid to hang on their wall. My daughter is also an artist, and I wanted her to try these out too. So she picked just 3 colors. She picked the primary colors of cyan, magenta, and yellow, and she did her style of artwork, which is usually in watercolor, and tried exactly how these really bright, vivid inks work. And I think the results are just beautiful. We had so much fun, and this is what we came up with.